Gold H4 time frame. Last week gold came down almost $80, and that price action is enough to kill retail trader, especially who bought gold right at the top 2048. And now price is testing this lower trend line, and you can see this is a strong trend line. So above this trend line we are bullish on gold. If that trend line breaks, then that will be short term selling opportunity, but again that will be trap for seller. And also price is making double bottom on this trend line. So from 1969 we are again bullish on gold. But what happened from this top to this double bottom? Correlation between SP 500 and dollar. It is visible on your screen. You cannot ignore, because gold is still responding to strong dollar. That negative correlation with dollar. But this year dollar and gold both will go up, and you have already seen during that moment, which came after Silicon Valley Bank collapse last month. And weak dollar is already bullish for gold, you already know. In case if trendline breaks this week, then 1935 is your strong horizontal support level. So on retest of that support level you can buy. But next upside target first will be 2018. That is 61% retracement of this last bearish wave. And there are many news this week, especially your blackout period. And last time what happened in blackout period, everybody know very well, because blackout period is complete freedom for hedge fund. They can send gold anywhere they want, and you will keep searching Google for news. So don't be shocked if new bank collapse again on this time on blackout period, same like last time. And we have three important news this week on blackout period: ECI, GDP and PCE number. And if these three number came down, especially your GDP and PCE number, then that will be bullish for gold. And if this number comes high, then ignore, that will be short term selling opportunity. Before blackout period began, many FOMC members have said crystal clear they are expecting one more 25 basis point rate hike. And that decision depends on these two numbers. So if both numbers came down, then March FOMC meeting can be your last rate hike. But until we get clarity, when will we last hike and when will be your first rate cut, gold will stay sideways, and that is your correction. Because if you remember, since March 20, market is dancing on that news that there will be 25 basis point hike or cut, and that confusion on rate hike decision is your sideways correction. And to get more information that why 1935 is a strong support, and if price goes above 2048. If you see daily time frame, then RSI is not overbought. So it is back to normal level and all the time frame below daily are no longer overbought. So now gold is ready for upside breakout. And if 1935 is your support on H4 time frame, but daily time frame for this top to bottom, this last wave, 30 and 50% retracement are your next big support level. That's mean 1955 and 1926. And once correction complete, you can see upside breakout which depends on GDP and PCE number this week. Then you already know 2075 is your all-time high and our main target is 2147, because you can call it wave W, correction X, and this is your wave A, your counter trend correction V, and after breakout your next impulsive wave will be C. So that is your minimum upside target. And this week, first of all, you have blackout period and many important news. Then next week you have FOMC meeting. So basically next 15 days you will see big price action. So either gold breakout this week or it will break out next week. And for more clarity why gold is making sideways correction, if you see monthly time frame, some people are expecting that this can be your triple top. Technically that is possible, but that thing does not fit with your macro fundamental. That is why those people sold that ending diagonal chart pattern. And people who are trading that triple top, indirectly they are predicting 1680 next bearish target. And there is not much time for closing this month candlestick, but next month candlestick will close above 2075. And this week, these are not news but they are key event. We also have COMEX expiry this week. So these two things together are big event for gold trader. And you will see big price action. If we come back to H4 time frame, then this time you have clear chart pattern and clear support and resistance. And you can see all the stops of buyer are sitting below this trend line. And all the buyer have their TP out 2048. And because of recession, if GDP number comes high, then ignore, same like market did on Friday on PMI number. And if GDP drops with a big gap, then that will be bullish. But because of recession, sooner or later GDP number first will go zero, then it will go negative.